Da, 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 da. Hello there, everybody. Welcome, one and all, to Memory Nightmare Reacts. Where today we have a brand new song for Wirewalls. And the last one, we know we're into some noisy stuff, and I'm fine with this. This is called, if I'm looking at this correctly, bear with me here, Birds Land Only Once. Should I be concerned about this? Yes, I should. So buckle up, kids. And I don't know. Let's go see what the Mr. Unknown has done today. I didn't know he would be uploading today, so here we go. Whee! There we go. Here we are. Birds Land Only Once. I don't know anything about this, so we're just gonna get into this. 5, 4, 3, 2, motherfucking Lego. Hello?
Birds land only once at Area 51.
Is that unknown?
But no one hears them leave.
Oh, what the fuck?
They freeze in the air like a broken movie.
Oh, that's a setup.
They screech and fly away.
That's a setup!
But no one hears them. They only stare back and die within 1 week exactly.
1 week exactly? What the fuck?
Not a second earlier or a second later.
Oh, that's fun. No, said no one ever. Okay. This is a setup. Okay, it's sort of...
Someone's friend walked over there to talk to someone when he was lost. He said none of the guards had ears or tongues.
Oh!
And the next day, he went missing.
Oh, shit!
They walked away. The bird wings started twitching like radio towers. The guards started moving in reverse.
No,
Then,
that's time travel.
silence. The entire base. The guards, the birds, even the sounds of the wind
Everything went in reverse?
disappeared.
Oh, they're all gone. They got
Then the
Thanos.
wind came back.
This is a plan. What?
It was like nothing had ever happened.
Bitch, you can't ignore that.
Then the birds came back.
Okay, we
The
got
birds tilted their heads,
set up.
and their feathers fell off.
Oh, I don't want to
Then
imagine.
their eyes.
What
Then
about
they were gone again.
their eyes like fell off? Hello? Huh?
There was one bird left.
Oh, hello.
It didn't fly off.
It didn't?
It turned around the wrong way
I'm concerned
and
about
blinked copy
the visuals.
in
What the
Morse
fuck?
code at them.
What'd it say?
Then it folded into itself like wet paper
What?
and died.
Dude! That's a setup waiting to happen. Jesus Christ.
They were alone.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Sorry, but shut. If I was alone in Area 51, I would kindly get the fuck out. Because if you think I'm staying there after all of that, yeah, no, fuck that shit. Okay. We got a few seconds left. Okay. What else you got to say? The visuals are making me concerned. It's planes and people being loaded into things.
Birds land only once at Area 51. and nothing hears them leave. Nothing.
What in the what? Huh? Okay, so I thought this would be like a noisy thing like in the last days. What was that? Okay. Speech was weird, but I was interested. The visuals got me more concerned for my fucking life. And now I know why no one goes to Area 51. We could have learned that in September back during the but still. um I don't know if this is teasing something like in the last days as well, but I'm on your ass. I know in this industry that is a setup. Okay. But until next time, see you on the flip side. I'm gonna go question shit because what